Troubleshoot your Xbox console using the device ID.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that can be very useful for Xbox users. We're talking about how to use your Xbox Live device ID to troubleshoot issues with your console. This unique identifier can be a valuable tool for resolving any difficulties you might be experiencing.
What is Xbox Live device ID?
The Xbox Live device ID is a unique identifier assigned to each Xbox console. This unique identifier is important as it can be used by Xbox support to identify your device when you're having issues. It can be useful for troubleshooting hardware and software problems, or even connectivity issues with Xbox Live.
Where can I find my Xbox Live device ID?
Now, the first step to using your Xbox Live device ID for troubleshooting is knowing where to find it. So, where is it? 1. Turn on your Xbox console. 2. Go to Settings. 3. Select System. 4. Navigate to Console Info. There you'll find your Xbox Live device ID. Be sure to write this down or take a screenshot of it so you have it on hand when you need it.
How do I use my Xbox Live device ID for troubleshooting?
Now that you have your device ID, you can use it to solve issues with your console. This ID doesn't give you direct access to troubleshoot issues, but it serves as an essential piece of information when you contact Xbox support. When you reach out to Xbox support for assistance, provide them with the Xbox Live device ID. This will allow them to access specific information about your device that can help them diagnose the issue. The details associated with your ID might help them identify if the problem lies with your hardware, software, or connectivity with Xbox Live.
What other steps can I take?
Remember, the device ID is just one of the tools in your troubleshooting toolkit. Always try basic troubleshooting steps first. These can include restarting your console, checking for updates, and performing a factory reset, if necessary and as a last resort. Moreover, always keep a record of any error codes or messages you receive. These, along with your device ID, will provide valuable information to the support team. In conclusion, the Xbox Live device ID is an important tool that can assist in troubleshooting issues with your console. It's easy to find and can provide essential information to Xbox support when you need help. Remember, always try basic troubleshooting first, but when in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to Xbox support with your device ID and any error messages you've encountered. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy gaming!